Hey, down here. Tired of being fat and ugly? Same. Welcome to Recipes for Success with G-Man. All right, boys. First up on the docket, we got the Lucas Cubs hosting Independence. First off, last week I was at Lucas. You know, they have a very good offense. You know, they run the ball very well. But first off, they're going to need a little bit of that milk in that clock. This team does a great job of this, running the ball. You know, doesn't give the opportunity to the defense to be able to stop them. And milking that clock is going to go a huge way for the Lucas Cubs. Secondly, line of scrimmage. The Cubs will their way at the point of the attack with their offensive line and defensive line. So for them to win this one at home, they're going to need a little bit of the line of scrimmage. And lastly, those playmaking backs. Ethan Sauter, Ethan Wallace, all those Sauter backs and all those Lucas Cubbies, they need all of it on Friday night. And put a little bit of that into your mixing bowl. After that's all in your mixing bowl, take it over to the baking section and put this one on high heat. You're good to go. As we wait the first concoction to be done, we start with our second bowl. Let's put these fine ingredients away and bring out our next one. Our second game of the week is the East Knox Bulldogs hosting Shadyside. The Bulldogs are gonna need a little bit of Weston Mielek to get that W on Friday. Kid does it all in the receiving game, blocking and defensively. Definitely gonna need him for a victory. Secondly, Peyton Lester. Bulldogs QB's done it all this year. He's had an amazing year with passing and running the ball, and he also starts at corner to help out that defense. And lastly, speaking of the defense, the East Knox Bulldogs defense is serious. A little bit more of that defense in there, sprinkled in with the defensive line and line of scrimmage, and that'll get you a dub against Shadyside. Psych! On that over to your bowl, baby. Put it on high heat. That's an East Knox W. After you let that puppy bake for a week and a half on 350 heat, your bowl's gonna turn a different color. But don't worry, you're all good. And here's the final product. Some nice, beautiful, flavorful chips, barbecue seasoned. That is a Cubs win and a Bulldog win. Good luck this weekend, and tune back next week for Recipes for Success with G-Man and Storm.